Welcome to Adobe InDesign. If Photoshop is for photo editing and digital graphics, Adobe Illustrator is for everything vector, including logos, infographics, icons, posters, business cards, flyers, and more, then what is left for Adobe InDesign? Do I even need to learn Adobe InDesign? Anything that will have more than a few pages is most likely best to design in InDesign. InDesign has text management tools that other programs do not. It has features like master pages, which help you apply the same text or graphics to specific pages, which makes doing longer form content a breeze. InDesign also contains better text wrap options and paragraph management options, making editorial spreads and layouts easier to craft and edit. InDesign is built for multiple page documents. Creating a 10-page PDF, for example, would be very tedious using the artboard system in Adobe Illustrator. It's not impossible, but being able to manage changes across all artboards is challenging and time-consuming. With InDesign, creating new pages and making changes across all pages is why this program was created. InDesign is fantastic to use for multiple page documents, but also for magazine design and editorial designs. Ebooks, printed books, catalogs, conference booklets, portfolio PDFs, lookbooks, instructional manuals, and anything that will be printed on multiple pages or be a multiple page digital PDF. And you'll find out in this InDesign section how important it is to really know multiple programs, as InDesign integrates so well with Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. We can bring in vector assets from Illustrator right into InDesign. And also any type of photo editing we need to do, we can bring that over to Adobe Photoshop and then edit it and bring it right back into InDesign to craft our final document. This section will start off with several real-world editorial spreads and pages as we learn the basic interface and how some of the most frequently used tools work. You can find the photos and some of the resources used in this section in the downloadable photo links guide you downloaded at the beginning of the course in the course guide. So let's go ahead and hop into Adobe InDesign right now and get used to the basic setup of InDesign.